Exercise 11.1, question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is given. Perimeter of a square is given as 320 meter. We want to find the area of this square. So we know that formula for finding area of a square is side multiplied by side. Now here in this question, perimeter of the square is given. So first of all, we'll find the side of this square by using this perimeter. Side of a square can be found by dividing its perimeter by 4. So perimeter divided by 4, which means 320 divided by 4. So here you get the side as 80. So 80 meter is the side of this square. Now we can find its area. Area will be side into side, that is 80 into 80, 6400 square meter. This is area of this square field. Exercise 11.1, question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot whose area is given. Area of a rectangular plot is given as 440 centimeter square, and length is also given as 22 meter. We have to find its breadth and then we have to find its perimeter. So these are the two unknowns. We have to find the breadth and then we have to find the perimeter. Now when area and length are given, we can find out the value of breadth as area divided by the length, because the formula is area is breadth into length. So if we are given area and length, we can find the breadth by using the same formula. Here area is 440. It will be divided by the length, which is 22. So you will get the value of breadth as 20 meter. Now we have found the value of the breadth. Next we have to find the value of perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So substitute the values of length, which was already given, and the breadth, which we have just found, to get the answer as 42 into 2, that is 84 meter. So 84 meter is the value of the perimeter of this rectangular plot. Exercise 11.1, question number 4. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet is given. Its length is also given. We have to find its breadth and area. In the previous question we have seen when area and length were given, we divide that area with the given length to find the value of breadth. But when perimeter is given and one dimension length is given, we have to find the breadth and then its area. Now we know that the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the sum of length and breadth. Now in this equation, P and L are already given. Out of the 3 variables, 2 are given and we have to find the value of the third one. So I will substitute the values of P and L in this formula to solve for breadth B. Now this is a simple equation which can be solved very easily. If I try to isolate this B, first of all 70 will go to the other side and it will be subtracted from 100, and then we will divide this difference of 30 with 2 to get the value of B. So here B comes out to be 15 centimeter. We have found the breadth of this particular rectangle. Now we have to find its area. Now for area, the formula is length into breadth. Length was already given as 35 and breadth we have found as 15. So 35 into 15, that is 525 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle. We can use a shortcut of this formula to find the length and breadth. Suppose when P and L are given, suppose P is given as say 40 centimeter and L is given as 12 centimeter. We want to find the value of B. From the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, we can derive this. B will be P divided by 2. So first of all we'll divide the perimeter by 2, and from this we will subtract L. So here if P is 40 and L is given as 12, so this is the value of B. 40 over 2 means 20. So B will be 20 minus 12. So B comes out to be 8 centimeter. So you can either use the basic formula for perimeter, that is P is equal to 2 times L plus B, or you can also use the derived form of this formula for finding the breadth or length. Exercise 11.1, question number 6. A wire is given in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is given as 40 centimeter and its breadth is given as 22 centimeter. Now, if the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, that is, this same rectangular wire is changed into a square, we want to find the measure of each side. Now, when the rectangular shaped wire will be changed to square shape, one thing will remain common, that will be the perimeter. So first of all we'll find perimeter of this rectangle, and we know the formula for finding perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times 40 plus 22, this is 2 times 62, that is 124 centimeter. This is perimeter of rectangle. Now this will also be the perimeter of the square, because the same wire is used to form the square. So perimeter of square is 4 times each side. So which means we are given that 4 times side for a square is 124. This perimeter is same for the rectangle as well as the square. Now we will solve for this side. Side comes out to be 124 divided by 4, that is 31 centimeter. This is side of the square. And after finding the side of the square, we are asked to find which shape encloses more area. So we have to check whose area is more, rectangle or the square. We can find the areas of these two shapes. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth, 40 into 22, which comes out to be 880 centimeter square, and area of square will be side into side. Side we have found as 31 centimeter. So 31 into 31, which comes out to be 961 centimeter square. Now looking at these two areas, rectangle and square, we are absolutely sure that area of square is more than the area of rectangle. So this will be our answer. Area of square is greater than the area of rectangle in this case. Exercise 11.1, question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and its breadth is given as 3.6 meter. So we are given a wall, and on that wall a door is fitted. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing is given as rupees 20 per meter square. So we are given, suppose this wall is given, a rectangular wall is given, and on that rectangular wall we have fitted a rectangular door. So we want to find the cost of whitewashing. For that, first we'll find out the area to be whitewashed. Now this much area will be whitewashed, the shaded one. Now how to find this area, how to find this shaded area? For this we will find the area of the wall including the door, and from that we will subtract the area of the door. So both this wall and the door are rectangular, so we can very easily find out their areas. Area of wall means area of wall including the door. This will be 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. 4.5 and 3.6 are given as the dimensions of this wall. Now this comes out to be, if we multiply 4.5 with the 3.6, we'll get the area as 16.2 square meter. This is the area of the wall including the door. Now from this we have to subtract the area of door. The dimensions of this rectangular door are given as 2 meter and 1 meter. So area of this door will be 2 into 1, that is 2 meter square. So area to be whitewashed will come out as the difference between these two, 16.2 minus 2, which comes out to be 14.2 square meter. This is the area to be whitewashed. Cost of whitewashing 1 meter square is given as rupees 20. cost of whitewashing 1 meter square is rupees 20. So cost of whitewashing this much area, that is cost of whitewashing 14.2 meter square, will be rupees 20 into 14.2, which comes out to be rupees 284. Rupees 284 is the answer to this question.